Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Ooh, it smells so good. Probably steal a bite first. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How To. Today we'll be showing you how to make homemade facial masks. Alright, so I've been searching up online for some recipes and we have 5 recipes that we'll be trying out in this video. So the first one, we have the exfoliating scrub mask. Alright, so for this recipe we will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So it has to be an equal ratio. I'm gonna mix the sugar inside the coconut oil now. And you use your finger stirrer to just mix it all together. Alright, so I've put here 2 tablespoons each. And now that we have mixed it up, you can see it's this consistency. Okay. Honestly, I don't know how it will turn out putting sugar on my face. And later on, I will need to rest. I think the ants will come and bite my face off. But oh well. Okay, for the sake of showing you how this works, I guess it's worth it. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on my face right now. Okay. Alright, how do I look? Sexy, huh? So, we're just gonna leave this on for, I don't know, some minutes and then we'll wash it off. Alright, so I've rested for a few minutes and I think it's time to wash it off. And let's see the beautiful face underneath this scrub mask. So, see you in a short while. Okay, so I've done washing my face and now it's time to reveal my beautiful face. Let's count down to 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Any difference? After done the exfoliating scrub mask, okay, the feeling of scrubbing on feels very good. And post-washing, it feels... Okay, I don't know whether it really removed the dead cells per se, but my face does feel like it has a natural, healthy, oily, if it makes sense, of a face. Yeah, so it feels like it's healthy, right? But let's go about the day and see what happens next then. Alright, now we're gonna try our second mask. So this is the Acne Fighting Mask. It requires 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon, and the water to sort of dissolve again the powder. So without further ado, let's mix this solution together. So I've done my mixture. Okay, so you want to have this consistency where it's like a wet, muddy, sandy kind of a feel. Okay, so now we're gonna apply it on my face and hopefully it kills all the freaking acne that is popping on my face. Here goes. Okay, so I've applied it all over my face right now. Okay, and I'm just gonna rest for 5 minutes and after 5 minutes I'm gonna wash this off. Okay, time to rest. Alright, so as you can see, my face has frozen. I can't move my face. Alright, time's up, so I'm about to gonna wash this off and we'll see the afterglow. Just a little bit of my experience, I feel that the turmeric is really setting in. I can feel my face just like burning. I think that is the function of it working, killing all the acne. So God bless, no more acne. Wash my face now, bye. Alright, so I've done clearing up the turmeric powder on my face. Honestly, I was shocked by seeing myself in the mirror. But here goes. 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is after washing my face. Look at me! I'm freaking SpongeBob! Oh my god, I've just become super Asian. What the heck? I think this mask is a very bad idea. I'm sure you can tell. But I have to say that I feel like the function of it sort of works because like I have a pimple like growing here and when I touch it, it's like it hurts. But after the freaking SpongeBob mask, yeah, the acne killing mask, I feel like it doesn't really hurt anymore. So I feel like I think it has worked its magic. So overall wise, I think function sort of 10 to 10, 9 to 10. In terms of appearance wise, 0 to 10. I don't advise. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna move on to our next mask, and hopefully the next mask will treat me much better. So as you can see, my yellow face is gone. Okay, so what you can do is you can try the first mask that we did, which was the exfoliating scrub mask, and after the scrub, and use your facial wash as well to just cleanse it, and it will come off. Alright, so we're going on to the next mask right now. This is the pore minimizing mask. So what you need is 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of honey together with some squeeze of lemon juice. I think about 1 teaspoon will be enough. Okay, so we're gonna mix them all up together. So it's well mixed now, and we're gonna put it on my face. And I think it will solidify after some time. So we're just gonna leave it on for a few minutes, and then we're gonna wash it off. Okay. So we're gonna just let this rest. We'll give it about 5 minutes, and then we'll wash it off. Alright, so time's up. It's been about 5 minutes, so we're gonna wash it off and see if the pore has shrunk. Alright, see you later. Alright, so I've washed my face, and let's see if my pores has shrunk. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? You think my nose got smaller? No, I mean my nose pores. Yeah? Well, it feels a little tighter in this area, which is what it's supposed to do. And I think it's minimized a little, I guess. I think if you do more of it, you can probably see the results even more obvious. But I think that I definitely feel something different. But in terms of whether it's shrunk, not that obvious. But overall, a good mask, smells very good, so yeah. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next mask now, which is the glowing mask. Yeah, gotta give myself that glow. So let's do that. So for this next mask, what you need is half a banana. If it's a big banana, I used a small banana, so I just used the whole of that. And you need 1 tablespoon of orange and 1 tablespoon of honey. Alright, so we're gonna mix this up right now and get our glow on. Time to apply this on the face. Alright, so as you can see, it's such a mess right now, but it is so promising. So we're just gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, and we're gonna see how it looks like after that. Alright, so time's up. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face, and we're gonna see my shining new face right after this. Alright, now let's see my beautiful face right now. My face is shining. Can you feel the glow? Is it blinding your eye right now? Reflect, reflect. I actually feel refreshed, like my face has finally woke up, if that even makes sense. I'm not sure if it's glowing, but definitely I feel like I'm seeing a whole new world right now. So maybe it worked. Who knows? You just gotta try. Alright, so let's move on to our final mask, which is our hydrating mask. And this is gonna be another yummy mask because it has avocados. Alright, so let's get the next mask ready. Oh, this mask looks so yummy, right? Here is we have oats. Okay, so take a handful of oats, cooked it, and with water. Okay, and this is half of an avocado smashed, and this is again a tablespoon of honey. All right, so this is again the hydrating mask, and yes, so let's mix them up. Okay, So it's gonna look something like this, and we're gonna apply it all over our face now. Alright, there you go. It's fully covered. So we're just gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes we're gonna rinse it off. And yeah, we are about time. I am gonna wash out now. Alright, so I've done washing my face, and for the final test, let's check out my face. Alright, so again, that was the hydrating mask. And in terms of hydration, I feel like it's quite hydrated. Yeah, I can feel the moisture that is packed in. So I think I'm ready to head out. Alright, I've done all my masks. I feel beautiful. Time to head out and show the world. So that's the end of our how-to guide on making homemade facial masks. I hope you enjoyed the show. And disclaimer, alright, if you want to do this at home by your own, I would suggest you do this at your own risk. This is quite experimental, whether it works or not, totally up to you to figure it out. Alright, so please follow all of our social media once again, and I hope you enjoy all of our shows for you. With that, thank you, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!